Hey there, Kevin McCready with the Greater Iowa City Area HBA. Today we're here at the Johnson County Fairgrounds with Build My Future. Awesome event. We got over 700 kids here today to help our workforce development, because I've walked around the buildings, everybody has a "We Are Hiring" sign. So we desperately need help. Today I'm working with the hands-on crew. We're building walls, we're drywalling, putting some drywall mud on, having a great time with the kids, getting them engaged. So hopefully next year will be even better, but it's a great day to be here with all the kids and getting our workforce development figured out.
I am T.T. Carr with Suples Building and Remodeling, and I am the Vocational Training Council President this year. We're super excited to be part of this event. Our event is bringing in lots and lots of kids and exposing them to career paths and hands-on activities in the trades. Our local Vocational Training Council does a lot of outreach everywhere from elementary schools on to colleges and high schools, and just getting kids to learn about the trades, the opportunities for jobs and career paths, but also educational paths so they can kind of master different specific trades. So we're really excited to be part of Build My Future this year, and hope that this just continues to grow and be a successful event.
Hello, my name is Jim McGrew. I'm with Suburban Lumber in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're proud to be here today to support Build My Future. We are members of Cedar Rapids HBA and the Iowa City HBA. And we just feel it's really important to be here to support future youth into our industry. As everyone knows, we need help in our industry.
Good morning, my name is Aaron McGlynn. I am currently the state president for the Home Builders Association of Iowa. Here to talk to you a little bit about Build My Future and why it's important to the state of Iowa. Build My Future started several years ago down in Springfield, Missouri. Handfuls went down there to check it out and really see what it was all about. Huge event with students from different high schools, locations, and really kind of brought it back to the state. We've been doing Build My Future in the eastern side of the state for about the last 4 years. Des Moines got an event over there that they've been doing probably the last 5 or 6 years, but each local or area or region has a different event. Sioux City's got one, Quad City's had one. So what it brings is, again, students from all over the area, different high schools, different locations, to an interactive event that they can learn about the trades, skilled trades with suppliers, manufacturers, contractors. And really the goal is to get these kids, one, interested in the trades, and then help us as builders, suppliers, that type of thing, these young students. So it's really been a great event for the state, and nationally we're very well known, Iowa is, as being a leader in workforce development in some of these events that we've had across the state.
My name's Tim Ruth, and I'm a partner at McCready Ruth Construction. I also serve as the National Area Chair for the National Association of Home Builders, covering the Upper Midwest. This is our Build My Future event, which is something that several years ago during a meeting in Washington, D.C., it was talked about how could we spur workforce development a little bit, and we decided that through some urging that the National Housing Endowment was generous, and $2,500 for each Build My Future event, kind of startup seed money. And it's been great, because that helps some of these areas that may not have enough money to get started. The event itself will pay its way once it gets going, but getting it started and doing the legwork, you need a little money. So the National Housing Endowment has been very generous with this, and as they are with many other aspects of our industry. So, you know, workforce development, we're always short workers. We're short hundreds of thousands of workers. So just getting the students out here, giving them the opportunity to see what careers are out there, what kind of careers they could expect, showing them maybe something they don't even think exists. And, you know, like a bricklayer, you can't hardly hire a bricklayer anymore. And so everything, it's great. All of our people that have come out, we're very appreciative to them. You know, the ready mix plant, pouring concrete, dual quality walls, the Iowa DOT, you know, everybody is just going out of their way to be part of this, and it's huge.
My name is Chris Moore. I am here representing Local 182. I work for T&K Roofing out of Ely, where I'm the superintendent. I think it's important to be here because I think it's important to get kids involved, get them to do some hands-on stuff. We have them in there hot air welding some TPO material, and they seem to really be enjoying that. And of course, they get a prize with a piece of candy when they're done. I think that that's important because when you get kids involved and you get them hands-on, they see the trade side of things, and it gives them other options outside of what everybody else tends to typically preach right now, which is a lot of college and stuff like that. When in my opinion, I really think it's important for kids to know that there's the earn and learn opportunities out there.
Royce Peterson, I'm with the Cedar Rapids, Iowa City Building and Construction Trades Council. We're one of the sponsors here today. It's very important to us to be a sponsor for this, Build Your Future. The biggest reason is, we're always looking for people to get into the trades. The building and construction trades represent 16 different trades. Several of them are here today. I'm personally with the Carpenters Union. We're in a big boom time right now, and everybody's recruiting. We're looking for people, and we want really good people that are energetic and really want to make trades a career for them in the future. So we're proud to be here, and hopefully we can get a lot of good workers out of this.
Hey, I'm Dan Strank. I'm here from Woodruff Construction out of the Tiffin office. We're at the Johnson County Fairgrounds here today, and we're just kind of presenting who we are to everyone. Our general contractor. We do a lot of different construction projects, such as we do remodels for schools, building from the ground up, steel erection, as well as concrete and civil projects. Work on a lot of different treatment plants, and some of the University of Iowa's nearby here, we work on some of their projects.
My name's Andy Hodge with Hodge Construction. Yeah, we're here today just give the kids an opportunity to get their hands dirty, right, and kind of try some hands-on activities. They're having relay races, driving nails with hammers, drilling screws in, cutting boards, and through the process of wall building, right? But kind of a relay race, make a little competition out, have some fun, and just try and get them interested in construction a little bit to kind of grow our industry.
I'm Dylan with Hawkeye Ready Mix. I'm our business development guy. We're super proud to be a part of Build My Future. This has been an amazing event. One of my favorite stories has been a young 13-year-old kid that came up to me, looked me dead square in the eye and said, this is what I want to do, and how can I do it, and how can I get into it, and was able to try to explain to him a little bit about the different avenues that he can take. This will absolutely be something that we'll be a part of for years to come.
I am with Kroll Inc. here in Iowa City. We also have other locations in 10 different states. We are a concrete producer. We have many different jobs in the trades, and this event is very important. It gives kids an idea of all the different trades that are out there, and especially with Kroll, we have a lot of truck drivers, mechanics, quality control, a lot of office positions for these guys to come out and see what we all have. Kroll is a very proud sponsor of this Build My Future event, and we are very happy to be here.
I'm William Wilkins, Training Director at the local 125 Plumbers, Pipe Fitters, and Refrigeration Tech Training Center. I love this event out here. We've got a lot of people getting a great education on things that are available to them, and I love being a part of this because I believe it's our responsibility to reach out into our communities, to our younger generations, and not just them, their parents and everyone as well, school teachers and counselors, and like I said, educate them as to what's available to them.
Hi, I'm Jared Nickel with Grinder Buildings. We have 3 branches, Washington, Iowa, Des Moines, Iowa, and Kewanee, Illinois. I'm currently the project manager, and we're here today just to expose kids to the rewards of a hands-on career.
Hi, I'm Amy Miller, commercial lender with Hills Bank. Hills Bank's a local community bank, and we're proud to sponsor the Build My Future event.
Yeah, I'm John from Acme Tools. Just enjoying the day at Build My Future down here at Johnson County Fairgrounds. It's been a great turnout, seeing lots of exciting young folks who are learning about our trade and our industry. We're proud to be here, proud to support the future builders of our country. And yeah, that's enjoying a great day.
Hi, I'm Drew Retz. I'm with Jerry's Homes in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and I'm president of the Cedar Rapids Home Builders Association. We're proud to partner with everyone here at Build My Future to engage the next generation of workforce. My story is I watched my grandfathers fix and repair on the farm, and from the age of 8 I knew I wanted to be a builder. And this gives these kids an opportunity to experience that same thing. So we're looking forward to the next generation of trades.